If you need an easy side dish for a weekend or weekday meal, try this simple lemon parmesan broccoli recipe. It's a great recipe that starts out with some lemons. You're going to cut those in half, and then you're going to squeeze out 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can, of course, use lemon juice from a bottle, but fresh squeezed lemon juice will give you a better flavor. Then, of course, you need a head of broccoli. If you need more servings, just use extra broccoli. The recipe will still remain about the same. Cut those florets up, make them bite-sized. The family loves them. After you've got your broccoli all cut up, cleaned, you're going to put it into a bowl, to your baking dish. First, of course, you want to spray that baking dish with some baking spray. Then you're going to add your broccoli in. Now, to get this recipe really where it needs to be, you're going to add a few things to your broccoli. Make sure you've got a good even spread because you want to get everything coated well. And you're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Just pour this over your broccoli, mix it in, because this is what's going to help everything stick to the broccoli and also to cook. Then you're going to add in some garlic powder. About a tablespoon will be fine. On top of that, you're going to add some salt and pepper. About a half a teaspoon of each. And then you are going to add in some Parmesan. 2 tablespoons. Now, we're getting a lot of ingredients here. If you are a little salt sensitive, you can leave out the salt. Parmesan is a salty cheese of itself, so just be aware of that. Now you want to stir all this together. Stir it really well so that you coat your broccoli. You really want to get those flavors on each piece, so make sure that you stir it well. And while we're at it, I'd invite you to like, subscribe, and get notifications. That way you always know when we have a new recipe. Also, feel free to comment. Alright, after you've got that well stirred, you're going to throw it in your oven. Preheated that oven 400 degrees, bake it for 25 minutes. And then to that, you're going to pull it out and add in some additional ingredients, starting with your lemon juice. Again, just mix that all up. Then you can add some more Parmesan, however you like, whatever the flavor profile. If you want something a little saltier, a little more cheesy, add more. But either way, after you add the lemon juice, bake it for an additional 10 minutes and enjoy. Thanks for watching another recipe from Ghost Host Kitchen.